every time you fly something like that.
Alright. You spent 21 days on the wall.
That's climate. People spend like way back yonder. Like reverse climbing, like
Yeah.
El Cap and stuff with like pitons and whatnot. People spend like months on there.
But how do you get food?
Bring it up with you.
Months of food?
Bring it
Rationing.
off.
Yeah.
They have like cameramen and stuff.
Alright,
So they might have just had them.
Bring your stuff.
Because it's sport climbing, so it's not like super like crucial purist. So they probably just had people bring in food.
Ooh, that's a nice knot.
They have little stoves up there on the wall and everything.
Double points.
Okay, you want to belay or should I do it? I was gonna go munch, but I'll belay, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm really stuck on this side right now. So if you give me a minute. Sick burn.
Okay.
It's getting bright out now.
Man, it was the sun was like a laser up there.
Your cell phone on your helmet?
Yeah, tape it on. That's how you record it.
Oh, so you got a GoPro?
Yeah. No, I'm cheap to buy one.
I think that phone costs.
You got the GoPro mount, and then you just put a bunch of attachments on, extensions, and then you tape your phone to the extensions. It works.
It looks really sturdy right now.
It does. It is.
I'm gonna put on the helmet just in case I get bonked in the head with a phone. You know what? Just in case. I don't want to go to the emergency room today.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Wait, we didn't do our...
I showed you my knot.
I wasn't looking. I wasn't even ready, bro.
It's a very nice knot.
It is a nice knot. Cocking, walking. Good.
Yeah, it's very nice. Pull up me some slack. Boy.
I was ready to jump for it. Jump for 5 minutes.
That looks super cool. Which one is that called?
Which way does it start? Oh well.
Yeah,
Ignore
was
that.
Red point burn.
Ignore it.
What red point burn?
Ignore
You
it.
fell on this.
It was an on-site. What are you talking
That was
about?
your red point burn.
You mean on-site?
Good red point.
I didn't have control over the first hold, therefore.
There's the red point.
No.
The first, like, again, 3/4 is like, oh yeah, that's some nice slab. And then the top is like, holds? What holds?
What are you talking about?
Huh?
It's like super run out at the top.
It's, yeah.
It's like a penguin waddle.
I stood on the same hold with my big toe for 5 minutes. It was very painful.
You should have barefoot sent it.
Honestly, that might have been at work.
The raw.
Oh yeah, that's nice. All right. Chalk.
Don't forget the clip.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look.
I'm just like not gonna be able to see him past that ledge, and it's
I couldn't see you.
You're on. Is it over an iron rail or straight?
This is an iron rail.
Well, at the top on the corner.
no, it's smooth up there. It's just rock.
How'd you get past this part? How'd you do this part?
I went up.
Yes.
I think I moved more right. I don't remember.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I think I was to the right of the bolt line most of the time. I think I moved left at some point or something. Pretty sure there I just grabbed the next ledge and pulled
Oh.
something.
Yeah, just go to the next hold and then go up.
Yeah.
And then after that.
I just want to grab the next one.
Ooh, oh, I see something here.
Stupid little toe jam. I like this one.
you go.
I'm thinking that this right you just I might have a hand jam somewhere.
Ooh, if only.
Yeah. It looks like maybe up there. I don't know.
Right at the first hole?
At the like second. Take it down.
Ooh, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Marcus, have you ever done slide outside?
Yes, Whiteout Direct is like the crux is the slab. I haven't done a full slab.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, this is good. I like it. I can do some. I feel like I'm better at it, honestly.
I don't know. I'm kidding.
It's just I gotta sit here and think.
Marcus, you're not at the top yet.
Don't worry about it.
I'd say, yeah, you're pretty good at slab, but...
Don't worry about it, buddy.
No, I'm kidding.
Don't worry about it. I'm just trying to find the best holds. Take my time.
Take your time. It's not bumpy because...
Yeah, I'm just getting technical with it.
I told you about ankle bruise, right? Ankle bruise? Yeah, ankle bruise. It's an 11 day.
Nope.
It's 11 day that took me the most attempts. It took like 3 different days. Yeah. It's like 5, it's an 11
Ooh, there's something.
It's like 2 movements.
Hope that can turn off.
Slap. And then the top is like one of the weighty things, kind of like that. It's not there, but it's only 2 moves. Yeah. Where there's literally no holds, you're just kind of like standing up on it. But yeah, no, that thing is, you get the top, put in the chest, no pump, 0 pump at all. But like, it's, I tell you the data, it's right hand dug, left hand, outwards, foot jam, right? Ankle, match, foot, right hand, dyno to a left. From a foot. Okay, and then 5 7 on the top. It was like a meme I went back and said that. It's silly to say that it's you can head over to Curbside if you want. You go bagging 11 days, you've got some juice. You don't need the juice, I just told you that. Beta and determination.
And not being scared of dinoing.
Well, it's my stop roach. Because you put this goal, so it's the whole crux of the problem. Yeah.
Hey, take up as much as you can here, just in case.
We were at just like for drive. On the rope like
Oh yeah.
And then when he gets close to the end, I just let go of it. I fly up and he's gone. Right?
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Giving this a proper send, huh? Giving this a proper send.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take a break for a second right here. Let's see what I got to work with. Heart rate. Nice pocket there. Go for that pocket. There's a side pull here. Got feet. Go for that pocket. What do I got? Some sides again. I could stand here all day. Oh, cool. Okay, I'm at the top. Take. Sick. My first 10A. All right. You want me to come back down? Yeah, take. Woo! Nice. Yeah, I'm ready. Woo-hoo-hoo. You're right, it is like Indian staircase up here. I got it. Ooh, the tree. Woo. Yeah, I couldn't have done that without new shoes. They help so much.
Which there's no 15s in there, so.
That with this?
With the,
I'll move over.
Okay.
if you can stand on something, that'd be helpful.
Right here?
Solid.
Oh, let me flip the drill here.
You might not have a good time with that.
You come back and I could do it.
Hold on.
There we go. Actually, hold on. Is that back clipped then? If it came down?
It's gonna be.
It would be back clipped.
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
No?
That's back clip right
Yeah.
now. That is.
Yeah, because it hang like
It
this.
should be coming from me. Yeah, like that.
There we go.
That's correct.
Yep.
I think.
Yeah. Yeah, no, now it's right.
Wait.
Yeah, yeah, because look, if it hangs that way, then you'd be coming out this
Yeah,
side.
that's right.
Yeah.
Quite good. Like, I
Okay.
put my head in there,
All right.
Yep.
and then, so I'm trying to put my,
You're going on my website, so you don't. Yeah, okay. Okay.
I put my hand in there,
That was solid, dude. I like that.
and I knew where to
Yes.
Okay.
Would
I actually sent that.
Would you like it on lead?
I think I could do it on lead. Not again, but definitely. That's my first 10 outside.
Alright.
Nice. Solid.
Go on the rope for 20 seconds.
Yeah, slab is fun. I enjoy it.
Like, does it feel like a normal 10?